So we're gonna make a ice cream. Let's draw the eye and another eye. Now we're gonna draw a cute little mouth and some little rosy cheeks. Then we're gonna adjust the brush size and draw a big curve over the top of the face. Then we're adding in little curved edges to make the bottom of the ice cream. Then we're adding in another curve and another curve, and then we're going to add that same curved edge as before. Now we're going to do the eyes, one eye, another eye, and the little mouth again. This time I'm doing a circle, but you can do whatever you want. And a little scallop. Now we're just going to draw some little arcs, just like the waffles of the cone. Now we're going to draw the eyes, one eye, another eye, and a little mouth, whichever mouth you like, but I think I do a smile. Some little cheeks. Now we're going to do the colouring. So I'm choosing 5 different colours. I'm going to choose pink for the top of the ice cream, so strawberry ice cream. Then I'm going to do vanilla for the second flavour, I think, so I'll pick like a light yellow. Now I'm going to colour in the waffle cone, so I'm going to pick a pale brown. And then I'm going to pick a darker shade, colour in that middle triangle. And finally, I'm going to colour in the mouth and the cheeks in a red colour. And that's the ice cream complete. So I'm just going to rub out all of this because we don't need it. And I'm going to add a cute background in blue. Oops. And then I'll add my little signature. And you can add your signature if you've made it unique. It'll be super cute. And just make that X a different colour, and that's it. That's all for today. Remember to hit that like button, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.